Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we will be talking about how you can download effect on the CapCut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open the CapCut app. So once you select it, you need to select a video of your choice to edit. So after you select a video, all you need to do is simply press on the effects option. So after you press on effects, you can select the video effects option, and from the several menus you can select any of the effect you want to download. Now simply select an effect and press on the download arrow. So now as the effect has been placed on your video, you can select any other effects as well and press the download button and repeat the same steps. So this is how you download effect on the CapCut app. Now you can adjust your downloaded effect and adjust its timing as well in the video. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.